opposition and set what exactly is
I think that answer you'll have to ask him only, no?
Do you agree
because
with that statement? As an opposition party,
actually that statement I have heard somebody telling me. I have actually not seen the interview. Maka so whenever contest सांगितलं some statement has been made. So we were busy in our session. Actually, आमचे 2 दिवसाचे AICC session was there. Just come back today. So I will look into it and then I'll comment.
It is the right doing a statement on the.
No, I think senior leaders. I mean, कालचे आमचे AICC सेशनान सुद्धा आमचे AICC चे प्रेसिडेंट आमचे जो मिटिंग्स जाता ताजेर it is very clear that discipline has to be maintained. So I think I would request all the senior leaders who are there that when you talk in public, I mean you have to be responsible. कित्याक आज गोंयची जनता ही काँग्रेस पक्षाक एक फ्युचराच्या नदरेन खंय तरी आज जे बीजेपीन एक वातावरण तयार केलां आज प्रत्येक गोंयकार पिडीत आसा. सो खंय तरी आज गोंयची जनता 2027 काँग्रेसीक ऑल्टरनेटीव पळयता. So I think all the senior leaders, I think they have to talk responsibilities. That is what I'll say. No, I'm not saying about him, but I'm saying all, not only senior leaders, every leader in the party. I think they have to, discipline. I think we all have to maintain, because ultimately we are fighting for the people, and it is the common man today who is suffering. So I think all have to be responsible. People have, senior leaders have taken all the roles. So I think they understand the responsibility what they have been there in past, and I think they are matured enough to be responsible.